Welcome everyone to my channel BioWorld once again. Today, in this topic of sense organ, we are going to deal with the internal structure of the human eye. External structure video would be coming soon. Now, this is the eyeball structure. It is covered with the three more important layer from the inner to the outermost. The outermost, you can see the sclera, the sclerotic layer, and then scleroid, and then the innermost retina, which is the sensitive layer of the eye. Now, sclera is very tough, made of fibrous tissue, white in color, continues in front of the eye, the sclerotic layer, and it is visible through the structure called conjunctiva. That is the membranous finest covering of the eye. Now, it bulges and becomes transparent in the front region where it covers the colored part of the eye, that is called cornea. Now, the cornea of the eye sometimes becomes opaque and non-functional. In such cases, the defective cornea can be replaced by a healthy cornea from another person's eye. The next layer is called the choroid layer or the vascular layer, which has blood vessels in it and provides nourishment to the eye. It also has a dark pigment called melanin, which prevents light rays from reflecting and scattering inside the eye. Now, in front of the eye, the choroid expands to form the ciliary body, which has circular muscles, and these muscles help in altering the shape of the lens. You can see there ciliary muscles. Along with that, this ciliary muscle extends in the form of iris. This iris, from both the parts, leaves a small opening in the center called pupil. And this opening of pupil helps, adjustment of this pupil helps in regulating the entrance of the light into the eye. And now we'll go to the third layer of the eye called retina. Retina is the innermost and sensitive layer because it has sensory cells in them. They are rod cells and cone cells. Rod cells are more number number, and cones are less, and they helps in dim light and dark light vision because it has a pigment called rhodopsin. Whereas cone cell, they are less numerous and have less they helps in bright light vision, colored vision, because they have sensory pigment called iodopsin in them. Now, these were the structure of the three layers of the eye. Just onto the retina, there is a structure called, you can see the portion at the central disc, like just at the horizontal axis of the eye at the center, called yellow spot or macula lutea, which has maximum number of sensory cells in them, and that is cone cell, which helps in brightest vision or most distinct image is formed on this point. So it is a place of best vision. Just lateral to the yellow spot on the nasal side, there is a structure called blind spot where no sensory cells are present, so no vision at this site. And just at this point, the nerve fibers from the sensory cells of the retina converge and moves out of the eyeball in the form of optic nerve that carries the impulses to the brain. Then the structure called lens. Lens is a transparent, flexible, biconvex, crystalline body that is held by some of the lens fiber, and they are called suspensory ligament and ciliary body. Now, there are the two chambers of the eye. One is the aqueous chamber and the another is the vitreous chamber. Now, aqueous chamber is a front chamber that lies in between the lens and the cornea. It is filled with a clear, watery liquid, helps in keeping the lens moist and refraction of light. Whereas the posterior chamber is called vitreous chamber, which is a larger cavity in the eyeball, helping in keeping the shape of the eyeball and protects the retina and the nerve ending. Now, these were some of the structure of the internal structure of the human eye. Hopefully, you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching it, and please do share with your friends. Thank you.